Is it time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we are diving deep into VOO. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 12th of November, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 5th of November in the year 2024, our system has classified VOO as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 3.71. Now let's examine the performance of this exchange-traded fund during this time. The ETF has experienced a gain of 3.52%. This amounts to an average return of 0.59% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned at the upper end of a weak rising trend in the short term. This situation typically presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend is expected. A breakout above the upper trend line at $551.02 would indicate a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 7.23% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging between 2.38% and 7.68%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of about 26.99% over the next year, with potential returns between 17.52% and 27.49%. This would imply a price range of $644.92 to $699.60 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for VOO includes the headline, VOO ETF upgraded to buy candidate. The VOO ETF price experienced a decline of approximately 0.3% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 12th of November, 2024, dropping from $550.44 to $548.76. During this trading session, the ETF fluctuated by 0.83%, reaching a low of $546.43 and a high of $550.94. Notably, the price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and has risen by 2.61% over the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is generally a positive indicator, as volume typically follows price movements. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 805,000 shares, with a total of 4 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $2.16 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF reached $551.72, while the lowest price was $409.89. Currently, the price stands at 0.54%, or $2.96, lower than the 52-week high of $551.72, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. Recent developments regarding the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, VOO, present a complex landscape for investors. Today, the S&P 500's dividend yield has reached its lowest level in over 20 years, primarily due to a surge in technology stocks that offer minimal payouts in relation to their market prices. This scenario may pressure income-seeking investors to explore alternatives, potentially affecting VOO's inflows. Meanwhile, strategists are expressing optimism about significant gains for the S&P 500. While this might sound encouraging, it often indicates market overexuberance, which has historically led to volatility. The ongoing post-election rally continues to attract attention, yet Wall Street anticipates a minor retreat, advising caution as bond markets reopen. One positive note is the record inflow into exchange-traded funds this year, with approximately $897 billion invested through early November. This trend reflects strong investor confidence in diversified strategies such as VOO, suggesting potential upward pressure on its price in the short term as more funds flow into the ETF segment. Interestingly, analysts have raised their S&P 500 targets following the recent election results, signaling a bullish sentiment tied to expected policy changes. This optimism, combined with historical data favoring long-term investment approaches, positions VOO as a resilient choice despite uncertainties in the near term. The blend of anticipated economic growth and a prevailing trend towards the S&P 500 could sustain interest in VOO, ultimately influencing its price positively over time. The following signals have been identified for VOO. The VOO ETF currently indicates buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the ETF. Additionally, there is a general buy signal derived from the relationship of these two indicators, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. During potential downward corrections, support levels can be anticipated at $541.98 and $532.33. Should the price fall below either of these levels, sell signals will be triggered. Moreover, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been generated, which could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was recorded from a pivot top point on Monday, November 11, 2024, and as of now, the price has decreased by 0.305%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, trading volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 7 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 61 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 69 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 243 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. VOO finds support from accumulated volume at $543.36. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when this support is tested. Generally, this exchange-traded fund exhibits very controlled movements, and with strong liquidity, the associated risk is deemed very low. During the past day, the fund fluctuated by $4.51 between its high and low, which is approximately 0.83%. Over the past week, the daily average volatility of the fund has been 0.727%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for VOO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for VOO is at $549.98. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the ETF, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, VOO encounters its first support level at $543.36. If this support level holds, it may present a good opportunity for entry, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $528.15, reflecting a decrease of 3.76%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits very low daily movements, resulting in minimal risk. Recently, a sell signal was generated from a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is the VOO ETF a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, suggests that the current price level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for the VOO ETF to perform well in the short term. As a result, we have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF from a hold or accumulate to a buy candidate. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price may be overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 13th of November, we anticipate that the VOO ETF will open lower by 5 cents and begin trading at $548.71. It's important to note that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. We highly recommend consulting with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Remember, you should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us when making your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at StockInvest.